What's going on, Mother Truckers? As you have known, or if you're hearing about this for the first time, the Ambassador Bridge is basically blocked and shut down on the Canada side. So Canadian truck drivers that are trying to go back, they cannot. So what's happening is they're there, they're stranded, they're saying they're hungry. Now, on the positive note of the American media, they are saying that, people are feeding these truck drivers.
Good morning. Good morning. God bless you.
Thank you.
Lots of donuts. This one guy right here is like, how much? I go, I don't want your money.
She knows what these men and women who have been on the road and stuck all night long are going through.
But with that said, I feel like they are painting the picture that, this blockade is extremely negative. Mother Truckers, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I really want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts about the media and what they're saying? Because I know we've been covering this a lot, but I want you guys to let me know, and especially message me if you are at the Ambassador Bridge right now, and let me know what's going on. Message me and email me at theasiamindShow@gmail.com. But here it is. Let me show you guys what they're talking about.
Okay, you are doing protest, do it, but don't block other people, Even teacher doing protest on the sidewalk, other people do protest on sidewalk, not blocking traffic.